problem isn't where your assets are. It's whether every system tells the same story about them. Disconnected asset records don't create one problem. They create operational challenges across every team that depends on them. It starts with visibility. As assets move, change, or retire, outdated records slowly erode operational confidence. Without reliable asset information, preventative maintenance gives way to reactive fixes, increasing downtime and unexpected costs. The impact doesn't stop there. Incomplete records turn every audit into a scramble, wasting time that should be spent on operations. And when ownership isn't clear, accountability suffers, making issues harder to identify, assign, and resolve quickly. Teams spend more time validating data than acting on it, turning small inconsistencies into costly business risks. The good news? Solving asset visibility starts with a connected framework that keeps records accurate and always up to date. From connected asset records comes operational intelligence, empowering teams to make faster, smarter, and more confident decisions.